Hey Queens, hey! On today's Self-Love Sundays video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how I got these nails right here. Stay tuned. Okay Queens, let's get into it. This is all of the products that I will be using for today's tutorial. First, you want to start off with clean hands. Clean them as good as you can up under the nail and all that good stuff. Make sure they're dry, pat them dry. And then I like to go in with my clippers, my nail clippers, and just, clipping them down, making them nice and neat up under the nail. I know we're covering it up, but we still have to maintain our nails as well. And so I'm just clipping them down because they were a little uneven. Next, we're going to go in with the nail polish. You can also use alcohol and just use something like that in order to get all the oils off your nails. All right, y'all, we're just about to push back those cuticles. So in this particular pack I got from my local beauty store, it comes with, as you can see, glue and this little stick that I'm about to pull out. And I like to use this for my cuticles. And as you can see, I'm about to push back my cuticles, y'all. Just gently, be gentle with yourself. Don't hurt yourself now. But push them back just some in order for your nails to look like they're well manicured. All right, y'all. I don't know why I'm so stumbling over my words, what have you. I love this part. We're buffing them down. So you just use a fingernail file, even out the nail where you cut, and then you're buffing them. The buffing really helps, in my opinion, because it gives the nails something to grab hold to. I noticed in the past when I haven't buffed out my nails before I put on a set, they will slip off or pop off really quickly. And so I truly believe, and I've seen other people discuss this, that when you buff the nail, it gives it some texture that it can grab onto. And so I'm just buffing away right now. Buff, 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 buff. Okay. Child, I done dropped the deck. Anyway, all right, here we go, y'all. Now I am choosing the proper nail for my beds. I have really small, not too small, but I have small, a little wide nail beds. And so I have to pick what you do too, all right? You got to pick something that closely fits to your nail bed. And for some people, you might have to shave it or file it down a little bit in order to get that perfect size. And so right now, as you can see, I'm just, trying to figure out what fits best with my nail bed. Oh, that pinky one look good. Okay, girl, put that to the side. Okay, so we got them all sized out. Now it's time to put on that glue, honey. Yes, they cute too. So the glue I use is the Kiss Brush On Glue. Now, why do I use this? I notice when I use the regular glue that you dab onto your nail, sometimes you use too much. And if you ever been to the nail shop, they really don't use a lot of glue, right? And so I like to use the brush on glue because it's better to control it. And you can get the glue on the nail very evenly. So pro tip, try the brush on glue and let me know if it works for you. And so as you can see, I'm pressing it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. I'm counting too, child, as I dance. So I press it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. And I also kind of like move my finger side to side as I press it down in order to get all of the nail. You ever had nails on? I don't know if you wear fake nails or this will be your first time, but in the past, sometimes it will pop up on the side because I didn't press as hard on that area. And so you definitely want to press it down as hard as you can in order for those nails to last. And for me, when I'm not working in the catering business, my nails last for about a week and a half. I'll say a week and a half to 2 weeks. And so, girl, you got to press it. Don't they look cute already? Purr. Okay, full set on, looking real cute, girl. Yes, love it. So now I'm just filing the tips, making sure it's even. On false nails, sometimes you get, I guess when they make them, it's a little piece of plastic that be at the tip at times. So you just want to file that down, and you can also put some clear polish on these at this time. So next, girl, you know I got to grab that Shea Butter, honey. This is from my collection, Queen's Luxury Collection, for the self-care line, and it is Shea Butter. And this particular one is the Cocoa Rose, girl. I love the Shea Butter. It has all organic ingredients, everything to keep your skin moisturized. Come on, girl. Come into it. Look at that shine. It's just glycerin. And the best part about it, it doesn't stain your clothes. So when you put on your nails or whenever on your skin, when in your purse, when you just want to moisturize your hands, try Shea Butter. And you can definitely try mine. The link is in the description box. Okay? And also, get those cuticles too, girl. Look at that. So now I'm just putting my rings back on, ready to start my day, feeling how luxurious those hands feel, honey. And look at those cuticles. Now that look like I went to the salon, don't it? So ladies, queens, get you some falsies, try to put these on, and let me know in the comments how they turn out. Peace. Hey queens, hey, you want to be a part of the Queens Tribe community? Check the link in the bio and join today. It's a private Facebook community where women come together and help support each other and adjust one another's crown. Join us today.